What's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a maintenance detail on a Hellcat that was just corrected and coated by us about 2 weeks ago. So let's get right into it. Follow us along, see how we do our process.
Hey Tony, are the wheels coated too, or?
Nah, the wheels are not coated. We're gonna have to see after this cleaning, because last time, 2 weeks ago was the first time I ever touched this vehicle. Okay. And so after we did the full prep and everything on the wheels, on the inside, it kind of looked like they're a bit stained from like brake dust. Yeah. At least on the inside. The outside was pretty good, not too bad. But if after this cleaning, the insides, they get a little bit better, I'll be able to tell, like, maybe we might be able to clean up the insides and then coat them, and they'll look a lot nicer. It would kind of like save him from having a powder coat these. But that would be like up to him if he wants to get that done or not.
And how much would it be if he did want to do it? All four?
Well, if you wanted to do all four, I'd probably recommend him to do wheels inside and out and calipers, 2 layers on everything. And so basically our wheels off coating package, yeah, that would be like $400 bucks.
For how long would that coating last? Like how long would that coating last?
1 to 2 years, roughly. And that'd be 2 layers on everything.
You're saying that was the hardest part of this detail, the drying?
Yes. Well, the part that's most time consuming is drying this Hellcat off. It holds water in so many cracks and crevices.
But doesn't it have the coating, so it's easier to like blow the water away?
In a way, but even then, like, all the cracks and crevices still take time to blow out.
Oh, okay. But other than that, it's just the drying part?
Yeah, and try not to put any swirls or anything on it.
Oh, okay. Hey Tony, so we were a little bit late for this one. Did the customer say anything about it, or?
No, because I actually got here before he did. He was at work.
Oh damn. So
I probably got here like 10 minutes before he did.
Oh no, so it worked out.
Yeah, it was fine.
You were saying something about like deposits earlier, that you're being more strict about them?
Yeah, so we also changed like our deposit thing. Like before we would do like, we would give the deposit, like we would refund the deposit back if the client or customer canceled like 24 or 48 hours before the appointment. But now we switched it up to non-refundable.
Non-refundable? Why is that?
Just because like people kept canceling like last minute and stuff, and I would be like, I'd be a very forgiving person. I'd just like give them the refund back. Yeah. But like I just like, it just happens so many times that I'm tired of that stuff. So I'm like, you know what? if someone takes like any other business, when you take a business seriously, you'll leave that deposit and you won't like basically you'll just take that business more seriously and you will actually want to commit to doing your appointment.
Yeah.
And then whoever doesn't want to do the deposit, because there's some people out there that are like, oh, I don't want to leave a deposit or whatnot, then that's fine. Just, we're not for you, I guess.
Yeah. And then is that because of just what happened, like what's been happening in March, just in general?
In general, it's been happening like for a while, but like March was really just like a little bit more than usual. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just change it up. Can't be having too many cancellations and stuff. It just gets really annoying.
True. And so what's the minimum deposit for your details?
Now we've been doing $50 minimum deposit.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's $50 non-refundable, but it also depends on the type of like detail package that they book.
Yeah.
So if they book like a job that's gonna take 1 or 2 days or something like that, like a bigger, the deposit can range like up to like $600. Like if it's a level 3, that would cover that. And those deposits, they go towards like the total amount. So like let's say we do a level 3 for $1,500. That's like we usually book out like 2 days for that, 2 to 3 days depending on the vehicle.
Yeah.
So if we're charging $1,500, we'll ask them for like a $600 deposit, which would cover like the material and whatnot, and then save their spot, and that goes towards their total amount. So the remaining balance would be like $900. If we were charging them $1,500, the remaining balance would be $900 after their detail is complete.
Yeah. I mean,
so it's not like an extra. Yeah, it's not an extra upcharge or anything. It's just like, since we're saving all that time for them, it's just like, so in case they cancel last minute, we at least get to keep those $600 and then try to book someone else in. And if we don't get to, well, at least we have those $600 instead of like nothing and just like lost time.
True. And you had mentioned also earlier that you had done this vehicle 2 weeks ago, right? You did the coating on it? Yeah,
we did full correction and coating on this vehicle, so our level 3.
How long did that take, the coating?
This one for full correction and coating, we booked it for 2 days, but I ended up taking about, I don't know, a really long time. He dropped it off Tuesday morning, and he ended up picking it up, I think Thursday afternoon.
Oh, okay.
It was like I worked on it all Tuesday, all Wednesday, and then all Wednesday, like all nighter.
Non-stop?
Yeah, like pretty much non-stop. I probably got like 4 or 5 hours of sleep between those 2 days or 3 days.
Shoot.
And so yeah, it was a long time. But it looks a lot better. Looks sick.
So the coating, it'll last.
This is a 3-year coating, so 1 layer. Yeah.
So are you gonna keep maintaining this car, or?
That'd be up to him.
Yeah.
I think we will, but it just depends. Since he's pretty far, he's like out of our service area for many details or maintenance.
Yeah.
We might try to work something out with trying to do it at his workplace or something.
Okay.
I don't know. We'll figure something out.
Yeah, that way you keep that coating like maintained, right?
Yeah.
You said you can move it to the sunlight?
Yeah, pretty much to like the sun and see what I can touch up.
Oh, okay.
See, I know the door jambs are gonna need some touch up, little drips. It's already getting like a bit dusty just from the freaking wind. So it's really annoying trying to get these perfect. And then there's not really a spot to close this, so you gotta be careful not to scratch it. There you go, no fingerprints. And it still looks solid.
So what are you looking for, like swirls and stuff?
Yeah, like any scratches or anything, but so it's good after the first wash. Very nice.
So what would you recommend this customer to do if you don't maintain the vehicle? Like
find someone that can maintain it properly.
Would he be able to do it, or?
Yeah, it just takes a lot of time. Well, actually, I don't know. Maybe not here. I don't know if they have a wash place.
So now that it's in the sun, are you looking for anything in specific?
Just drips and any smudges, spots, anything like that. Alright guys, well there you have it. We just got done doing our first maintenance detail on this Hellcat that we corrected and coated 2 weeks ago. Let us know in the comments down below how you guys do your maintenance details for freshly corrected and coated vehicles. And if you like this type of content, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.